and dears, this is for senior people in the society. Age is not a burden. It is a blessing of experience. Wrinkles are signatures of life well lived. Growing older means growing wiser and calmer. Every sunrise is a new gift.
Come,
At any age
come here.
you have.
Come here.
Peace
Come here.
matters
Come here.
more
Come
than
here.
speed now.
Come, my dear.
Slow
Come
your
here.
speed
Wow.
and live better.
Wow.
Sleep well. Eat well.
Come. They are
and
coming to me.
Keep your
Come
mind
here.
peaceful.